Good morning, children. Today's topic to learn is subtraction. Before starting the explanation of this process, let us know the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction means taking away one number from another number. Or I should explain it that when we were doing addition, I said addition means grouping together. So subtraction means separating something from some other thing. Or in terms of mathematics, I will say taking away something, one number from another number. And the result of this process is called as difference. There are two ways of doing subtraction, children. One is without borrowing, and the second one is with borrowing. Like we did addition were having without carry and with carry. Similarly, subtraction process will be done without borrowing and with borrowing. Now, I will be explaining both the process by taking one example. Let's have a number for this 7,858 subtracted from 3,532. Now, these two numbers I have given for subtraction. First, we will be arranging in column. What I have done is I have written the bigger number on top first. Then you write down the place value on top of the digits. After doing this, you will be writing the second number below the first one. And always remember, children, that you will be writing from the last place value, that is the ones place value. The second number will always be written from ones digit. This is how I will write. Now we will do the subtraction. Don't start from 1000. Always start the addition or subtraction or the multiplication process from the ones digit. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4, children. When you are doing the subtraction, use your fingers houses. Here is 8, so use 8 houses, boxes of your fingers. Then cut 2. So go 2 digits backward. After going 2 digits backward, whatever the number of boxes are left, that you write down in it. This answer is called as difference. This is what I said in the beginning, that the answer of this process is called as difference. And subtraction sign is minus. Taking away one number from another number is called subtraction. This is without borrowing. Now we will do with borrowing. Let's have an example for this also. 9,865 subtracted from 6,976. Again, children, write in column, that is write in line wise arrangement. First, I will be writing the bigger number among these two. This is the bigger number. It's called as 9,865, and then I will be writing my place values. As I said earlier, that you write down the place value when you are doing the column wise arrangement. Then, what is the third step? I will be writing this second number from the ones digit. Now, what is the fourth step? Write down the sign of subtraction, that is minus. Then do the arrangement for doing subtraction. Now check your first digit, the digit of your first number. Here it is 5 and here it is 6. I cannot cut 5, that is I cannot cut 6 from 5 because it is less. So what I will be doing is I will be making it bigger. And for making it bigger, I will be taking a borrow. Borrow means I will be taking a borrow from this neighbor digit. This 5 is going to ask for one borrow from neighbor digit, and this becomes 5 and this becomes 1. Since it is giving one borrow, so you will be taking away 1 from this digit 6 and this becomes 5. 15 minus 6, again you count 15 boxes in your fingers and then write down. 15 minus 6 is 9. Again check this digit 5. 5 minus 7. You cannot do. Again this 5 will take a borrow from this neighbor digit. When it is taking the borrow, it gives 1. Don't forget to write down 7 here as it is giving 1 to this. So it becomes 15. 15 minus 7. Again you do on your finger houses. You will get 8. 7 minus 9. I cannot do, children. So again this 7 will take a borrow from this neighbor digit. This 9 gives 1. So this becomes 10 and this becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8 and 8 minus 6 is 2 because 8 is bigger than 6, so no need of taking the borrow. Here is your answer for with borrowing. On the basis of this explanation, children, do the solution with more than 2 or 3 questions daily. Then only you will be able to solve it. By looking at this, children, I hope with borrowing and without borrowing process is clear. Thank you and have a nice day.